Pulled lamb and warm lentil salad. Start by preheating your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. To make the spice mixture, combine the paprika, coriander, chilli, cumin, ginger, allspice, cardamom, nutmeg, and cloves in a small bowl. Season with salt and pepper. Add enough oil to the spices to make a paste. Arrange onion in the roasting pan. Place the lamb over the onion. Spread the lamb evenly with the spice mixture. Pour stock around the lamb. Cover tightly with foil. Roast, basting occasionally for 4 hours. Uncover the lamb. Increase oven temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Return the lamb to the oven and roast for 30 minutes or until the lamb is golden brown. Add lentils, tomato and spinach around the lamb in the pan. Roast for 10 minutes or until the lentil mixture is heated through. Loosely cover the lamb with foil and set aside for 10 minutes to rest. Coarsely shred lamb, discarding the bone. Arrange the lamb and lentil salad on a serving platter. Top with parsley and drizzle with a squeeze of lemon. That's how you make this pulled lamb and warm lentil salad. It's hearty, healthy, and perfect for sharing. Click here to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified when there's a new video ready for you.